Blue corn, the nights pass, sails raised to half-mast, love songs are sung fast.
Okay, so we are going down hills, and our brakes, front brakes, are almost on fire.
Like rags that were too wrong.
I don't know if you can see the smoke coming out.
Oh, say goodbye, say goodnight.
What happened?
We stopped and now the battery is down, so we are in the middle of the road and the car is not starting. So I have the cables there, and I'm waiting for somebody to come here so we can hook up and start the car.
That if we try, we might succeed. Time we often wed. Somehow believing a curse we learn to accept. Oh, say goodbye, say goodnight, as you'll hear my lullaby.
We are a few meters before the Yosemite National Park and we would like to sleep here tonight, but unfortunately
We hate when they start the generator and it's so noisy, like.
we would like to camp here and stay here for the night, but it's impossible, the noise is too strong. So let's find another spot where we can sleep. We saw something on a dirt road, like here on the left.
Oh, say goodbye, say goodnight, as you'll hear my lullaby. Oh, say goodbye, say goodnight.
Okay, today we are building some wood decorations. One's for candle holder, other one for pencils, pens, and other stuff that you can use in your house. So first of all, I found this piece of wood, and I start cutting slices. So the small ones for the candles or other stuff, and the big ones like these for the pencils, and we will see. So what I've done, I just have these battery tools that I always use for work with wood, and then I just cut it like this.
Oh, say goodbye, say goodnight, as you'll hear my lullaby. We'll try for one more, leaving open doors, believing folklore, that if we try, we might succeed. Time we often wed. Somehow the love kept alive the process. Believing a curse we learn to accept. Oh, say goodbye.
Good morning, everybody. Last night we slept just a few miles before Yosemite National Park, and this is a magical forest.
This place, it's beautiful, it's amazing. We will show you, and beautiful. The only thing is that there is all this leaking from the trees.
Resin, I
It's
think? I
resin,
don't know. Yeah.
so it will be a little bit a mess to take it off from the car, the camper, and from the solar panels, because we have all the solar panels up there and they are all leaked with resin.
But the location is beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah, it's worth it.
Oh, say goodbye, say goodnight, as you'll hear my lullaby. Oh, say goodbye, say goodnight, as you'll